Welcome to this presentation on Mind the Gap, Pitfalls of LLM Alignment with Asian Public Opinion. This research was conducted by Hari et al. And published in 2025. Today, we will explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Large language models, or LLMs, are now used globally, helping us access information and generate content. However, because these models are primarily trained on English language data, they can unintentionally pick up cultural biases. This means that perspectives from non-Western cultures might be overlooked, and even worse, harmful stereotypes could be reinforced. Imagine if a tool meant to help us learn and communicate actually end up spreading prejudice. This research used a specific method to compare the opinions generated by LLMs with real-world public opinion. The first step was to gather reliable data on public attitudes. This was achieved by using surveys from the PEW Research Center, which covered multiple countries in Asia and focused on religion and social issues. These surveys are carefully designed to represent the views of the general population in each country. The study found that popular LLMs do a decent job representing public opinion on broad social issues. However, when it comes to religious viewpoints, the models consistently fall short. They often fail to accurately represent the religious perspectives of people in Asia, especially those of minority groups. In some cases, the models amplified negative stereotypes about certain religions. The researchers also found that prompting the models in local languages did not completely fix the problem. The research indicates a significant problem. LLMs, despite being able to generate text in multiple languages, often fail to understand and accurately represent diverse cultural viewpoints, particularly when it comes to religion in Asia. This misalignment is not simply a matter of translation. It suggests that the core training data and alignment processes of these models are heavily influenced by Western perspectives. This research clearly shows that LLMs, while powerful tools, can struggle to accurately represent the cultural nuances of different societies, especially concerning religion in Asia. Models' reliance on Western-centric training data leads to biases and misrepresentations that can persist even when prompted in local languages. The key takeaway is that we need to carefully evaluate how AI models represent religious and cultural identities around the world before we widely adopt them.